Welcome to the SYSPRO Invoice Integration demonstration video. This SYSPRO integration solution creates PO invoices in SYSPRO when a PO invoice payment request workflow has been completed in your other business systems. This enables you to improve the purchase order invoicing process by removing repetitive data entry and human errors. For this video, we will be integrating with SAP Concur, but this can be configured to integrate with many other business systems. Firstly, we are going to create a new supplier. In SYSPRO, let's navigate to Accounts Payable, Setup, Suppliers. In the Supplier screen, we will click New. We will then enter the details of our new supplier and click Save. Next, we will open BPA Platform. We will navigate to our SAP Concur Invoice Vendors Task folder. Although designed to run on a schedule, for this demonstration, we will queue the task. This will run the tasks in sequence. These tasks will take the new supplier and upload this to SAP Concur. As part of the solution, the tasks are scheduled to run on an hourly basis. However, this can be configured to a duration of your choosing. We can now open SAP Concur. From the Invoice Supplier Manager tab, we can see the new supplier that we created in SYSPRO has been added to SAP Concur. We will now demonstrate the SYSPRO purchase order workflow. Back in SYSPRO, from the home screen, we will open a purchase order entry. We will search and select our new supplier that we created earlier, and then create a new purchase order and add lines. We then need to select our delivery warehouse. Next, we will click Stocked and can now enter the order details. After we have entered all the necessary details, we will save the purchase order. Lastly, we can click to end the purchase order, and as we aren't printing this, we can click End Order. Switching over to BPA Platform, we will navigate to our SAP Concur Invoice Purchase Orders Task folder. These sets of tasks are designed to run on a schedule. However, for this demonstration, we will manually queue the control task. This task will take the purchase order we have just created in SYSPRO and upload it to SAP Concur. Once the tasks have run, we can open SAP Concur. From the Purchase Request screen, we will query POs from today, and we can now see and open our new order. We will now demonstrate the invoice workflow, starting by clicking the Invoice tab and then creating a new invoice. We will select the supplier we created earlier and populate the invoice. Then click Save. We will then add items to this invoice and enter the amount. Then click Add and Save. As this is a demonstration, we will now upload the invoice. This would normally be added automatically from the supplier's email by Concur. We can now finalize the invoice and click Submit. Back in BPA Platform, from the task folders, we will navigate to and then open the Concur Invoice tasks. Although designed to run on a schedule, for this demonstration, we will queue the task. This will take the invoice we just submitted in SAP Concur and transfer it to SYSPRO. When the tasks have completed, we can open SYSPRO. Then navigate to Supplier Query. We need to select the supplier we created earlier and scroll down to Invoices, click Show, and then we can see the invoice we just created in SAP Concur. If we right-click and select GL Distribution, we can see these details have been carried across. SAP Concur generates a PDF with every invoice. BPA Platform has downloaded a PDF copy of this and has created a link to this file in SYSPRO, as seen here. And that's it for this video. We have demonstrated the automation of new suppliers and purchase orders from SYSPRO to another business system, and downloaded an invoice into SYSPRO. For more information on BPA Platform's SYSPRO connector, call us or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.